Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. Live in just 2.5 minutes. We're across multiple platforms as we are every day, but our home is here on YouTube. We're trying to grow the best YouTube channel in the world. That's what we're trying to do, and it's the most honest, real. Feel the pain, take the pain. It's not how hard you can punch, it's how many punches you can take. With this brutal market being manipulated and scalped and dropped and dumped, nothing is real anymore. But we are investing, we're buying in great companies, we're holding our positions, we're buying when things go lower, and eventually we will win. It's what it's all about. If you've just tuned in on Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter or Instagram or multiple websites, TikTok, Twitch, please join us on YouTube. Our home is on YouTube. That's where our serious traders are. That's where the cash giveaways are. That's where the prizes are. And that is the home of our family. Please do join us there. We use all the other platforms to let you know we're live on YouTube. Anyway, there we go. We've just got 1 minute or so to go, just over a minute to go, and we'll be live. We're trading live with you today, investing live. What we're doing is we're looking for great companies at great prices. Tonight, we have the Virgin Galactic earnings. Virgin Galactic earnings, we'll be covering it live. We'll be here live with Virgin Galactic earnings tonight. So get ready for that. And we've got a busy day. The open and closing bell followed by Virgin Galactic's earnings. It's going to be a big day. Are you ready? Are you ready to make some money today? Or more to the point, are you ready to face another brutal day, hold on and survive and get through to better times? Better times are coming. We just have to keep holding on. All right, we've got just under a minute to go now. Thank you, whoever that is giving me the loves. Dr. Someone's given me loads of love there on TikTok. Thank you ever so much indeed. Appreciate the love. And I reward all of that at the end of the show as well. Anyone who gives me love and supports my channel, I help you as well. I'm here to help everyone. Cash prize giveaways coming up tomorrow on YouTube. Links in the profile. Same title as this show. It's youtube.com/Martyn Lucas Investor. Come into YouTube right now, into the live chat. Links in the profile. That's the name. Come on in and say, I'm from TikTok and I want to be in your free prize draw tomorrow. And I'll put you in. It's free for all. Okay, here we go. It's showtime. Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor Channel here on YouTube, multiple channels around the world. It's great to be with you. Everything you see here is real, live. This is my real portfolio on the screen right now. We took a beating last night, a huge beating last night. The Fed is trying to bring the stock market down, and it's doing a very good job at it. If that was its intention, that is to be applauded. However, it is very tough. Yesterday, a lot of people bought it and dumped it. I didn't buy anything on the way up. I reiterate, I do not buy anything up on the way up. This is a bear market. I'm only buying when things go to my all-time lows. That's it. If I pay $10 one day, I'll only pay $9 in the future. That's it. I'm constantly lowering my averages, constantly buying lower prices. I refuse to get into a bull trap. I refuse to be controlled by the Fed. I do my own thing. I take the pain. It's painful. Every single day we're dicing around zero. It's we know how difficult this is. Anyway, let's get straight into our trades, our positions. If you've just tuned in for the very first time, please click subscribe and ring the bell. It helps support our channel. There we go. Please do that. And give us a thumbs up as well. Thumbs up really makes a difference. If you like the video, it shares it to more people. That's what it does. All right. There's Mr. Mini-Me. Smash the like button. Let me know you're here, and I really appreciate it. If you're over on TikTok and you want to be in our free prize draw, come on into YouTube. That's where the draw is tomorrow. It's live. You can be in on it. It's free to enter. Free for all. YouTube.com/Martyn Lucas Investor. Okay, let's get straight into the channel, into the show right now. Here we go. This is my position, down again today. We've got lots of buy orders in place. Lots. Oh my gosh, the S&P now is down 4.4. You can see it's scalped in. Look at that. Very quick algo trading. I won't buy any more until it gets down to 321 because that was the last time I bought in. So I'm not, there we go, 321. See, I bought one share at 321, another share at 321, and so it goes on. That's my latest acquisitions. So I won't be buying it until it goes down to there because it can fall and it will fall. So the next time I buy a S&P 500, it will be in fact, I'll do it now. Look. One share at 321.90. I'll buy at 320. There you go. I'll even put it in a buy order. There we go. A limit order of 320. Let me make sure I got that right. 321.90. Yeah, 320. I won't pay a penny more than 320. Buy limit order. Let's do that now. A limit order of 320. Should it go down there? Who knows? One share. And I'll let it run forever. If I get an all-time low price, then so be it. Great. Bring my all-time average down. Limit order 320. Review the order. Okay. Limit order 320. There we go. There we go. That's now set in place. An all-time low position there, should it go to 320. So should we ever get flash crashes and all of a sudden something goes stupid and that drops to 320, then I would buy one because that would be lower than I've ever paid before, and then it would be 319. And that's my strategy. Simple. I know what I want to invest in, and I can't control the markets. All I can do is control me and how I act. Not how I react to the markets either. It's not how I react. I'm proactive. I'm not running around like a headless chicken. Oh my gosh, I'm up, I'm down, I'm left, I'm right. I set my limits and I stick to it, and that's it. Virgin Galactic, we got the earnings report today after hours. We'll be covering it. This will be an interesting one. I've got some very big news coming out after this show about Virgin Galactic today. If you're an SPCE Virgin Galactic investor, I nearly said fan then, and I hate using the word fan. Terrible thing to say. You shouldn't be a fan of anything. You should be an investor. If you are an SPCE Virgin Galactic investor, I have some very important Virgin Galactic videos coming out this afternoon after this show. So stick around for that, and you will get it all. You said to buy Facebook yesterday. You sound like Jim Cramer. No, I don't. Jim Cramer said buy Facebook, and then he apologized and said he got it wrong. I have never apologized for buying or selling Facebook. I don't like Facebook. I use it. I'm streaming live on Facebook right now, but I do believe it's a buy. Absolutely. I bought it. You can see it in my portfolio. Jim Cramer doesn't share his Facebook position with you. I do. I will share with you my position right now. If you want me to show on the screen, I'll put it on the screen. In fact, I'll do it right now. And I have held it, and I have not dumped it. There is my meta position. It will come on the screen in about 10 seconds for you on TikTok. If you look on the screen right now, give it a few more seconds, you will see my meta position. There it is. I bought it. I should be 85% down by now, but I'm not. I'm 22% down. I was already in when it crashed, and I just bought more. And of course, that doesn't lower your averages dramatically if you've already got it. But I've been buying it all the way down. 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90, and I'll keep chipping away until I eventually turn up, because I do believe in the stock. Absolutely. I do believe in the company. It's not a popularity contest, and that's how it's being treated right now with Mark Zuckerberg, in my opinion anyway. Right, okay, we'll come back to that. So the S&P, down today. Morning Paddy, let's bring look at that. You can see it algo trading very quickly, see it? Let's bring everyone's comments in. We've got Stephen Lewandowski. If you're on YouTube, you can have your name on the screen. Paddy from Italy is here. We've got Portland Trailblazers TV is here. We've got Mike is here. He's over on Twitch as well. He's keeping both channels open. Thank you, Mike, for everything you do for the channel. Stephen Lewandowski from Florida, Spaceline. You'll be interested today in what we have to say about space. Stephen Lewandowski also on LinkedIn. Remember, keep it always real here on YouTube. It's good to promote the other channels though. We've got Bill, of course. Bill is here as always, one of our top fans and members of the family. Ed Nevius as well, great trader over on Discord, has a channel in my Discord server, and you can check out his tips and his community as well if you wish to do so. Good morning, lovely family. We have got a song for church. Once we get into the show, we're doing a song for church. Church has been struggling. It's got some very tough personal news, and I'm going to do a song for you. In fact, in a few minutes, church, because we're all feeling the pain now. We got completely obliterated last night from the Fed. No question about it. And I've set my buy orders for dramatic drops. As ever, same strategy ever. I've got a buy at 200 for Tesla. All sorts of stuff. I mean, what can we do? Hi, church, says Stephen. All about being positive. It is. You have to keep chiseling away. It's hard. You get hit hard and you have to come back. Look at all this stuff right now. Robin Hood. I liked Robin Hood last night. Now, I broke my rule last night. I bought more than I'd paid before. I was up 20%. I had an average of 9. I bought it last night, so it's brought my average up. Don't like that. Knowing that it could fall this morning, but I really did want to be in Robinhood. That's a little bit of an emotional attachment there. Shouldn't have done that. I might have to sell that and not really take a loss on it, but just get out of it, because we could go down today. But we are up at the moment. We'll see what happens. It's not too big a position, but nevertheless, is anything heading up at the moment? Not at the moment. A massive dump last night. We'll probably get a rally at some point today. We had a huge drop last night. It doesn't keep going. People will want to buy in, but trouble is now with the Fed extremely hawkish, it's frightening people now. And it's frightening me. I don't like it. It's very uncomfortable. But it's very aggressive now. No sign of cooling down. Don't care if they go over. They don't care if they tighten too much. Very aggressive. And we've got rate hikes in England today. Some of the highest in a generation. It's not good, guys. It isn't. It isn't good at all. But you can't also be like market profit and sit on the outside lines forever and ever and ever. You can, if you've made loads of money and you are secure and you are protecting your money, your bags of millions, yes, you can. And you can just take no risk whatsoever, and you can get in because you've already bought, at lows way lower than this. You bought 10, 20 years ago. You don't care. It doesn't worry you in the slightest about all of this. You just sit and wait, and that's different. We, however, new investors who've only been in the market like me the last couple of years, a year and a half, we bought at the top. We're trying to get lower shares, and that's what you should be doing. But however, we are feeling the pain, and that's what it is. You have to go through the pain to get the rewards. You want to be rich? You want to be like our rich investors here with loads of money? Well, they bought in 20 years ago, and they've been through this. They went through it at the beginning. They've waited and held and so on and so forth. We haven't had that yet. We've got to go through it now. So it's just like anything. You have to put the work in to get it out. No one just, I know everybody today just wants to buy Bitcoin and become a billionaire in 5 minutes without doing anything. But that very rarely happens. It's not the way to invest. It happens 1 in every million times, and it's not what it's about. Jason Fallon, you shall not pass. There you go. Jason Fallon, this too shall pass. Of course it does every time. Market profit and people who've been in the market when it was completely down 2008 can chill. And not exactly, church. You said it exactly. I know you listen to a lot what market profit says, and so do I. But you know how low his shares are. You know how low his averages are. You know how low his prices are. Why would he be in the market right now? If I was in the market then and I was up 200-300% and I heard inflation was going up, I would sell all my stocks. I've got $10 million gazillion on the stock market. I'd sell it, stick it in the bank, and I'd wait. Because I've got loads of money, I earn high interest on my money, I don't care, money's coming in all the time. What do I care? I don't care. And eventually, even if I miss the bottom, because market profit will miss the bottom, no doubt about it, I will be in. All of you will be in. He won't be in. He'll buy it as it goes up maybe 10%, and then he'll jump in. But he saved 90%. But he's so far ahead, it doesn't matter. For me and you, I want to be in. And at the end of the day, you take the pain, eventually you'll win. It's just a matter of fact, mathematical certainty. The stock market doesn't exist to go to zero. Serves no purpose. People use it to invest. Companies are working to build. They're not trying to lose money. Everything is going to make money. Everything is working to build companies. So eventually they'll go up. But we have to take the pain before that, and it's very, very, very difficult. I am fully aware how difficult this is. He's a great guy, though. Yes, he does. I love market profit, and he knows it. We have a lot of banter on the show. We love to talk to each other. But I'm just explaining how it is for everybody. Everyone's situation is different. We're all the same. We all want to make money. Nobody wants to lose money, but we all come in at different times. We've all got different risk tolerances. Church loves Ford. Others wouldn't touch it with a barge pole. I love Virgin Galactic. Others wouldn't touch it with a barge pole. It's all a matter of your own strategy that suits you. Doesn't make you right. It doesn't make you wrong. It's what's right for you. But what's right for you will come right in the end, just different times. And we all enter the market at different times anyway. All right, welcome everyone. Dexter Sickles, how are you? Market profit and people who have been in the market when it completely down 2008 can chill and not worry. That's right. I like to egg him on and let him keep on with his crazy predictions. Yeah, he's a great guy though. Good morning, says Ryan Carlson. Right, the good news is, if you want to call it good news, I've got limit orders on nearly every one of my top companies, nearly every one. And I've had none come in this morning. Now, in a way, yes, I want them to come in because I will now lower my average and buy even cheaper. But none of them have yet triggered. So, in a way, it's kind of good because I haven't really got the money to spend, and I'd rather it go up, really. I've got enough. But, at the end of the day, when it goes down, you have to keep buying. As long as I say, you're not chasing it going up. You're just buying lower and lower and just stick to that discipline. Don't matter to think, it's gone a bit low today. No, has it gone your all-time low? Then buy it, because that's where the markets are going. They're going down. I've got an order today for Tesla at 200. That is my lowest I've ever paid for Tesla. Old money, 600. That's the lowest I've ever paid for Tesla. I've got an order for 200. If it goes in, my average will come down. That's all that will happen. And then if I pay 200, I will then put an order for 190. And that's it. Because you get these flash crashes before earnings and after the Fed reports. You get these sudden dips and then whoop, you can pick one up. So it's worth having your limit buys all set. You could argue it's worth having limit sales as well. If suddenly, something goes crazy and a stock suddenly flies off the handle, you might want to sell it as well. So. But I tend to like to watch it go up rather than just sell it. Anyway, That is why I love this channel. Such a great variety of investors. Indeed it is. Indeed it is. And thank you very much for saying. Looks like 2 more 0.75% rate hikes December and January before the Fed gets a 2% inflation. That looks likely. That looks likely. No doubt about it. Now, the good thing is, to all of this, the more pain you can put up with, the more pain you can take, the stronger you are, the more resilient you are, the more you can survive. In other words, the markets, there's no secret, the markets also now are pricing in. That's why everything's going down. They're also now pricing in 2 more 0.75 earnings rate hikes. They're also doing it, which means, no surprise, everything's gone down. And if you're still in and you've survived, guess what? This can set new lows, because they know it as well. It's not like a secret. Hang on a minute, there's going to be 2 more 0.75s. Everybody else knows that. Everybody else knows how hawkish the Fed are. So the markets are being dropped. That's good, because we all know that. So if you're still in and you've survived, if it's gone below your all-time lows, pick some up. Makes sense. You know. Anyway, that's my opinion. The more you can take, if you can take it, if they can say the worst thing, I mean, they couldn't have been much more hawkish. That was the Fed being as hawkish as it can get. If you've survived, you're still in, you're hanging on with the skin of your teeth, then maybe, hiya John, thanks for your subscription, then maybe, we can survive a bit longer. I mean, it's no surprise. No one's in any illusions. Right, okay, let's have a quick commercial break. I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. Don't go away. Are you ready? Here we go. There we go. We are back with you right now. And we're down 2.47. No orders have triggered yet. No orders have triggered yet. The S&P, Virgin Galactic. Earnings for Virgin Galactic tonight as well, by the way. Everybody over there on TikTok, how are you all doing? We've got our cash prize giveaway tomorrow if you want to be in on it. You need the link for YouTube. You've still got a chance to be in on it. Coming to YouTube, this is let's have a little look. Right, I'll be a Ford advocate, and then we got our space nuts, and then we get the nits who shoot for the stars and the moon. I love it, Churchy. Howdy all, Caden Youngquist is here. Lovely to see you, Caden. How are you? Congratulations on the channel. You're growing very well. Then there's Paul B with his gimmick coins. Yes, our gimmick coins. Love it, Church. I can't wait. I'm going to tell on you. I'm going to tell on you. When he comes in, I'm going to go, guess what, Church? He said, you're the gimmick coin boy. I could see us dropping all the way into next year. So could everybody else, mate. That's why it's been priced in. I've just been adding into high dividend stocks, and those high 10% yields will flush out my losses. Good strategy. Left meat on the table to stay safe, though. Left meat on the table to stay safe, though. There you go. That's Ed's comment. Well, again, it depends on his risk tolerance, how he feels. I mean, I don't like it. It's getting very tight for me. It's every day it's like this, but you know an upturn is coming again in a minute. You know it. How many times have we seen it? How many times have we seen it? Nothing goes down and down and down and down and down, straight down forever. That's not how the stock market works. Even in the biggest crashes, they go down and then they come back up again. It's what happens every single time. Remember, and it's very important, this, probably the most important thing, that all these big companies that I invest in, all the MANGs, formerly the FANGs, of course, many of the big investors, institutions, old money, all of that, they bought these stocks 10, 20, 30, 40 years ago, whatever. They're up thousands of %. This, for them, is a source of funds. I know Jim Cramer saying that, and I have to agree with him on that. I don't like how he presents his show. It's a bit wild and So the Wild West. But anyway, I take away what I need from the show, I think. He's absolutely right saying it's source of funds because, if you bought Google years ago, you're up so much right now, or you were, but, that's why it's been sold off. It's a source of funds. However, so people sell this, take the profits and buy something else, whatever they want to buy. However, though, at some point, and why does a company's stock price go down? Because everyone sells it. At some point, everyone's going to go, hang on a minute, this is all too cheap. And that's why I keep chiseling away. As hard as it is, the red days are what it's all about. Look at Google. Look at 5 years ago. I wasn't in the market 5 years ago. I was in the market a year and a half ago. I came in here just after COVID, and up we went. Oh, it's great on the stock market. Hang on a minute. Look, I would have loved to bought Google back here, but I can't. I can't buy Google for $57, and neither can you. But people old school bought it like that. They have it at that, so of course they're selling right now. But eventually, people will start buying in again because that's how it works. Now, I don't know. Is it going to go down to $50? I'm going to sit and wait. Like I always say, if your favourite item is a pair of Levi jeans and you pay $50 for it, and now someone is saying you can have 75% discount, and then someone whispers in your ear, if you hold on, you might get it for 80% discount, but you might lose it though. Would you take 75% or would you hold for 80%? That's the way I see it. I can't time the market, neither can anybody else. So every time, look, my lowest price for Google was 87. Look, one share every dollar. 87. So I have set a buy order for 86. Just one share at 86. And if it goes to 86, I'll buy another one. Why wouldn't I? A few months ago, people were paying, whatever it was, $200. I forget what the price was now a few months ago. Let's have a little look. 142. People were paying these prices. People were paying $140. Of course they were. It wouldn't be up here otherwise. No, I'm not saying it's worth $140 today, but in 5 years from now it will be. So, or maybe 200. But anyway, that's the situation I'm in, and that's my strategy. But it's difficult. I'm not going to tell you now it's not. Bye everyone, guys. See you soon. Patty's off. Oh, we're going to miss you. We've got a song for Church in a minute. Now, Church, we're going to do it for you right now. Here we go. My mate Church last night said he's having some personal issues. I'll let Churchy share it with you in the chat. I'm going to bring up, in fact, I'm going to leave the stocks on the screen a minute. We want to follow that because it's dramatic, right? But we're going to do a little song for Church. All right, we're going to do a song for Church. I've got the smoke coming out. There's the family around the outside. Our friend Church. He's a moderator. He's a member. He's a fan. He's a member of the family, supporter. We've all been there. You've seen me on the show get margin calls. You've seen me cry. You've seen me up. You've seen me down. We've had people lose family members, people in hospital, people with COVID, people with cancer. We've had it all. We've had ups and downs and left and right. And right now we've got a bit of sad news with Churchy. So we're going to do a song. We're going to do a song right now. So if you're on TikTok, you can watch on the screen. I'm going to my studio. If you want to see the full effect and the full sound and everything else, come on into YouTube. It's youtube.com/Martyn Lucas Investor. We've got time before the bell goes. We've got 35 minutes, so we're just going to take a little moment out to support our friend Church. Amazon used to be $10 back then. Enough said, exactly. All right, so here we go. Let's go over to the piano. And we're all feeling down at some point. We're all feeling beat up, so let me go and do a song for Churchy. Here we go. Okay. All right. So here we go. Little song for our dear friend Church of Logic. And I thought I want to just do something personal. So I thought, right, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do one of my own songs. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. We've got plenty of time before the bell goes. So here we go. Anybody out there for me? Is there anybody out there to share my life? Is there anybody out there for me to love me for what I am, not what I appear to be? Not for money, not for fame, no, not again. I remember many years ago, started here, playing my song to the likes of you. Traveled all over the world. I played in every major capital too. As I traveled so far and wide, I found a wife, I made a family. Those days are gone now, I'm home alone again, starting over, trying to make things right. Is there anybody out there for me? Is there anybody out there for me to share my life? Is there anybody out there for me to love me for what I am, not what I appear to be? Not for money, not for fame, no, not again. I remember when I was 4 years old, I used to play piano beside my dad. When I was sad, when I was glad, my music never let me down. This is my commitment, I'm looking for love to last the rest of my life. People judge me before they know me. They haven't never been inside my home. Is there anybody out there for me? Is there anybody out there for me to share my life? Is there anybody out there for me? Oh, to love me for what I am, not what I appear to be. Not for money, not for fame, no, not again. I guess not. I'll have my music and my song. There we go. That was for Churchy, Church of Logic, one of our dear friends, member of the family here, who's having the hardest of times right now. And that was for we are all here to support Church, as we are here to support all our family and all our members here on YouTube. There you go, Church. You can see everyone supporting you. Let's get back to our trades. Here we go. We'll move over to the other part of the studio and see where we are right now. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. All right. So we're back in the house. Everybody stuck with me. Very nice song and performance. Thank you very much. Did any of you come over to YouTube and see it? It's far better quality there. You can. You're only on TikTok. You're just watching on a phone, looking at the TV screen. So anyway, let's get back to it. Stay positive, Church. Thank you, Martin. Got some tears coming out, but I'm got some tears, but I'm good. Thanks everyone for the support. We've all been in the toughest of positions. It's no fault of anyone's. It just happens. We are behind you, Church. Awesome song. Thank you very much, Peter Maycock. If you've enjoyed my music and you want to look on the homepage of my YouTube channel, you will scroll down and you will see Martyn Lucas, the music channel right there. And you can go and subscribe and listen to all my music. Thank you very much indeed. All right, coming up later today, we got the closing bell as well. And, of course, after hours, the big night. The big night. Virgin Galactic earnings. It is for us. It's not for everybody, of course, but it is for me and most of us here. It will certainly affect my portfolio big time tonight. So there we go. We're down 2.49. We were down 5, 6, 7, 8. Was it 8% last night? Yeah, that's a bad day. Bad day indeed. So let's get back to it. Okay, we need to do a very quick commercial break. I'll be back in 10 seconds after this short little break. Okay, there we go. We're back now once again. Thank you very much indeed. Once you come back, let me know, did you get an ad? I'd be interested to see if you saw an ad. Just change the format a little bit. Ah, yes. I know the answer to that question because I can see it tested through. Yes, you did. All right. Okay. Nothing has triggered yet. No buys have triggered. Let's go through and check. There's my S&P. I've seen an ad. Good. There's 1 cent. Virgin Galactic. Virgin Orbit. Look at all these orders placed. Tesla. Part of me says, oh, you know, I wish it went down that low, but I don't really. I can't afford to buy any more. I don't want it to go low. I'm just doing what's right for my portfolio. Amazon. See it there? Look. They're all placed. Apple. Placed. Robinhood. Not placed there. In fact, it is placed actually at 9, I think it is, to bring the average down. McDonald's, not buying anything there. I'm up 10%. I've got money. I can sell that. I'm not looking to buy any more. I mean, it's not going to drop. It's not going to drop. You'd have to go down like 15%, and that's not going to happen. Coca-Cola, that I've got an order placed there. I think it's down at 54. I very much doubt if it's going to go down there, but there you go. J&J, I've got an order placed there because it's only up 1%, but I doubt it also. Google placed. Microsoft placed. Meta placed. SoFi placed. IonQ, no. PayPal, no. I'm out of the stock. Rolls-Royce, I'm out of the stock. Walmart, I'm up 14%. Not buying any more there. Don't need to. Target, I'm up 5%. Not buying any more there. Tesco. Now, Tesco, the UK supermarket, because of inflation, because of interest rates today, the biggest supermarket. This is like the Walmart in the UK. You want to look at a really good dividend stock that's really beat up right now. That one. Now I've already got it. I'm down 20%. I'd have to spend $3,000 to bring my average down to 10% thereabouts. I haven't got that sort of money, and I wouldn't want $6,000 on Tesco's. That'd be like 14. That'd be like 7% of my portfolio. I can't justify that. Google, breaking news, 52-week low. Google has now hit a 52-week low. They might cut the yield down if they're having trouble. Exactly. So you don't want to be... Well, it's confirmed. It's confirmed. Look, pending, 58.61. That's confirmed. That's happening. I'm going to get that money. Absolutely, 100%. So it pays out on December the 2nd. So in some respects, I'd like it at this price because I'll get more shares for my money, right? But however, I'm not going to buy any more. There's no point buying any more right now for this cycle. Food inflation is crazy in the UK. It is. You've got to have a mortgage to buy a packet of crisps. Anyway, we are where we are. Ford is 40% of my portfolio. Whoa. Church, now I understand why you're feeling pain. Church has got 40% of his portfolio in Ford. I want to ask the question, Churchy. Do you... I mean, are you a fan? Obviously, you're a fan of Ford, but do you feel that's right to have that amount of... that limited diversity of your portfolio? I mean, I know you like Ford, and it's a legacy car company, but, you know, holds a lot of debt. It's got a lot of excess waste that will be lost with the online car companies like Tesla. You know, it's got a lot of trimming down to do. 40%, it's a lot, in it. But, you know, what do I know? It's my down payment house money, not my retirement account. Okay. I like how you break all this stuff up. Feel for you, Churchy. Neo is 30% of mine. There we go. See, that's why I buy the amount I buy. That would scare me. I mean, SPCE. I mean, let's get real, right? It doesn't matter how much I think it's a great stock. It doesn't matter how much my experience of Richard Branson from Virgin Experiences. It doesn't matter about any of that stuff. If everyone sells it and no one buys the tickets, it goes bankrupt. I mean, it's simple as that. It's simple as that. If everyone says, I'm selling the shares, it goes all the way down. They can't raise money. No one buys tickets. It goes bankrupt. That's all beyond my control. As is every other stock. I don't believe that's going to happen, but that is the worst case scenario. I've got 9.5 grand. I would lose 9.5 grand. I'd be wiped out. My portfolio would go to zero. I mean, I'd be in all kinds of pain if that happened. But I know they've got money in the bank for another year and a half. I know they're hiring. I've got the great news coming out this afternoon, and I'm going to share it with you. So I've got no doubt whatsoever that things are going to be okay. But, you know, that's why it's 7% of my portfolio, though. I mean, if that was 40% of my portfolio, that would be a serious amount of money there, wouldn't it? That'd be something like 40, 50 grand, something like that. Oh my God. I mean, that would, I'd be sitting here shaking in my boots. I had it at $9 in 2020. I'm doing okay. Oh, that's okay. Again, there you go. If you bought it 20, 30, years ago, you're up, aren't you? It's like everything. It's all about timing and placing. This whole silly game is about that. Anyway, let's have a little look. Sold a lot at $15 and came back in at 12. Very, very good. So you trimmed off, you made some profits. Perfect, isn't it? I've put in an order for 100 shares at 4.54, hoping to get my average to under 5. Very nice. Did you try any of the tea? Yes, I did. I'm drinking the tea now, Bill. Bill sent me some tea. Thank you very much indeed, Bill. I am enjoying the tea. Leah's surprising me. She's giving me different teas all the time, trying different ones. Love it. Thank you so much, Bill. Appreciate it very much indeed. It's a lovely treat. It's at 9:49 now. It was 17 only 6 weeks ago. China need to get staff back to bloody work. Ian Jackson, he's going to fly over to China and say, "Oi, get back to work." Should I buy space today at this dip or after earnings? Well, you know, nobody knows, do they? The way I see it is, we don't know. Nobody knows. There is some great news this afternoon. After this show, I've got some videos coming out about Virgin Galactic. I've just been sent some, literally in the last hour, some very big news, good news. I'm going to share it via a video after this, so stick with me, you'll find out. But so all I can say right now, I want to look more into it before I say any more. But it's all looking good. Obviously, at the end of the day, look, there's my position. I'm holding it. I've got an order to buy if it goes lower. That should tell you everything you need to know, right? Bought space this morning. Do it, Mark. Do it. Tell us. It's nothing miraculous. It's nothing like, yeah, they're going to fly tomorrow, because everybody else, you know, I don't really have any information that nobody else does. I mean, let's get that straight. I know I'm the greatest YouTuber in the world, so maybe I do have some secret information, but I actually don't, and I'm actually not. So anyway, oh man, right. 15 minutes to go. We're getting a little bit of an upswing. Now we are going to get a bit of a rally. It will sell off again. This is why I'm not buying up. I'm not going to buy it. I'm not going to pay any more than I've ever paid before. That would be absolutely... I mean, to be honest with you, I'm really like... I'd feel a weight off my shoulders if I can turn green today. Yes, after yesterday being down 8.5, I'd love it. It would make me feel... It would make me feel a hell lot better. I know it's going to go back down again, but all I need is time. I need time. Because every month on YouTube I get paid. I won't get paid for another 2 weeks. No, I get paid on the 21st of the month. I'll put a bit more in, but between now and then, I ain't got no money. This is it. So there it is. For me, it's just time. We just need time. In 5 years from now, we'll be glad we bought Virgin Galactic for $4, won't we? And we'll be glad we bought Meta, I think, and Google and Amazon and Microsoft and all these things at these low prices. Eventually it will come right. Bought space this morning, says Ian Jackson. All right, we've got 15 minutes to go before the bell goes. So I'll see you back in just 10 seconds from now. Okay, we're back. Obviously, their vaccines didn't work like the West. That's why they are still locking down. Incredible, isn't it? Yeah. Virgin Orbit, like I said, I hate the way it trades. One of the benefits of going to the space station, I learned a lot. Tesla, down, up, just trying to uptick a little bit. I've got a buy order at 200, my lowest ever price for Tesla. Old money, 600. Anybody still do that? We talked about that yesterday. Let's have a little look. The overall portfolio, as you can see, down 2.18. Let's have a quick sip of tea. The Gene Pot. Hello, how are you? How much are you down this year? quite a bit. I've re-entered, reset my portfolio several times. Started with $5,000, as our friend just pointed out, actually. But even so, I'm down right now because I reset things. Everybody's down. Nobody's up. Anyone's telling you they're making money out of this market, the only people who are making money out of the market are the shorters. And I've always said, and I'll continue to say, shorters always win the battle. They always, however, lose the war. Eventually, oh, look at that. I've got some hearts being sent. Well, Gene Pot, I want to do something special for you then. First of all, you can be in my cash prize draw tomorrow. It's free to enter, free for all. But also do something very special. See the little star there? See the little star? The subscription star. It pops up every 10 seconds, just about there. If you subscribe to my channel, I have 26,000 followers. And what I want to do is help everybody. It's why I stream 10 hours a day. I'm here always helping people, always telling the truth, always sharing everything. This is my real money. This is my YouTube broadcast right now. If you subscribe to my TikTok channel, or anybody here subscribes to my TikTok channel, at the end of today's show, will record a video for you. I'll put your channel on this screen, this TV screen behind me. I'll make a video telling everybody about your account, your profile, and inviting my 26,000 followers, soon to become 27,000, by the way. There's the star. There it is, just there, look. To follow and subscribe to you. My members and my subscribers love that. It's a great way to help you. I also have exclusive content. I share with you my full portfolio, answer all your questions. I follow you back. I reply to all your comments. It's what I do. So if you'd like that, become a subscriber to my channel. It supports the live show, but I also then reward you 20 times what you give me. That's my policy. Give more back than you ever get in. Undersell, over deliver. That's my policy. So if you'd like to do that, she'll be doing well for me. Shell's been doing well for me. Oh, sorry, the pina colada. I apologise. You are better than Mr. Beast. We have a higher engagement rate than Mr. Beast, the biggest channel in the world. When I say that, what I mean by that is more live viewers that watch my live show on YouTube are actual members than Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast has between 8 and 9% of his live viewers are members. 95% of my viewers are members. Nearly every single person who watches me live on YouTube becomes a member. It's because I have a membership platform to help everybody. That's why. I don't give away other people's money. I give away my own. But more importantly, I sit here 10 hours a day to help and support people. So if you want to be part of that, either subscribe to me on TikTok, or even better, youtube.com/Martyn Lucas Investor. Come over to YouTube, links in the profile, or just use Martyn Lucas Investor on YouTube. All right. Okay. Let's get straight into it. We're getting a bit of an upswing. Does that mean we suddenly think we're all bullish? We're going to buy everything? No, we're going to buy it when it goes down, not when it goes up. So really, I'm fully in. Every penny I've got's on the market. I don't really want to buy any more if it goes lower, but I will. But what I really want is it to go back up again. That's what I really want. I don't like it this low. I want to be at 40 grand. To add again, what is that? Love Space. I have 15,000 shares now. Oh my gosh. Space is too much of my portfolio, but I won't sell until I break even. I am sorry to say, and as I've said, I'll go long when the Fed stops raising rates. Yeah, well, I'm just thinking there. That's what I'm focusing on. I'm not focusing on what the Fed are doing. I'm focusing on what I'm doing and sticking to my plans, and I'm not going anywhere. Stephen, wow, yes, I'm at 1,250 shares. Yeah, that's a lot of shares. We got some very rich people here in the show. Very impressed. Anyway, 22, not a bad idea. No, add again. I've still got Vorb, so should I sell now at a small loss? What did you learn and why did you sell? Says Mike. Well, I learned I went to Virgin Orbit, as you know. If you haven't yet checked out the video, it's on the homepage. Just look in my videos, and you'll see the video from Cornwall, United Kingdom, Virgin Orbit. But I learned that there's a lot of bad feeling at the company. I spoke to several employees, and the stock trades independently, it seems, of the general markets. It seems to do its own thing. They've got loads of new contracts. The stock should be going up, but it doesn't do anything. It just pops up. It's a bit like Mullen. I'm not saying it's Mullen. I'm not saying it's a scammy company. I'm not saying that. I'm ready to buy it again. But what I don't like about it is it doesn't react to good news at all. It just goes up and back down again. They get a flight, it goes up and straight back down again. It doesn't hold its value for more than 5 minutes. So I have learned that's how it trades. So I'll buy it at 268. It'll go up to 320, 350. I'll sell it and wait for it to go back down again. Until we get some stability in the stock and the company and the way it behaves, that's how I'm treating it. It doesn't seem to trust itself, so why should I trust it? So it might go up today, get some really good news, but for me, if you've got profit, I'm taking it. I'll wait for it to go back down again. I'll buy it. I'll sell it when it goes up. I'll just scalp trade it. That's how I'm treating that stock. That's what I'm doing. That doesn't mean you should do that, but that's what I'm doing. I don't trust it any more than that. Is that a fair estimate? Is that a fair estimate? Thanks again for the song, Martin. I'm going to have to mute again as I'm training some new staff. Okay, mate. Thank you, mate. Thanks for muting us, keeping us going. I appreciate it. I think it's fair. Yeah, Mike says it's fair. Thank you very much. Thanks for all the love I'm getting over there on TikTok. If anybody subscribes to me today, I will make you that promotional video and follow you back at the end of today's show. It's a really good perk for my subscribers. My subscribers love that. Or if you'd like to be in our free prize draw, we've got 6 minutes to go before the bell goes, so it's about to get very busy. Tomorrow, we're giving away a cash prize, free to enter, free for all. You can be in that. Also, I'm giving away a star prize from my merchandise shop as well. That's free to enter, free for all. You can be in that as well. If you want to be in that, come into youtube.com /Martyn Lucas Investor, the same name of this channel, or just go into the links. Come on in. Hello, Bill. Bill, there you go. Bill's got a Luca badge. He's one of my subscribers. Come on into the live chat. Say, I'm from TikTok. I'd like to be in your cash draw tomorrow. It's free to enter. It's free for. I want nothing from you whatsoever other than your company watching the show, and that's it. Do you think space will go under $4 today? Make a poll. Make a poll. Soren S, you're not a member. You've let your membership lapse. I can't do a poll for non-members. It's a membership perk. It's a membership perk, Soren S. You know that. I'd love to do it, but it's not fair for the people that are members. It's only a couple of bucks a month. You know all the perks you get. Many, many perks. 20 times back what you put in. There is a... There's the invitation to join. You can be a bronze member, and I can do so much more for you, including a poll. And I've got some exclusive content coming out this afternoon about Virgin Galactic. Straight after this video, I've got some very interesting news about Virgin Galactic, and there will be some member exclusive as well, quite likely. Quite possibly. I haven't 100% certain of that today, but we'll see. Anyway, we'll resolve that in a moment. Okay, well, I take you to your word, so I will do the poll for you. Do you think space will go under $4 today? Let's have a look. So I will do that, assuming that you'll become a member in a moment. I trust you. I hope all my members understand. He said he's going to become a member, so I'm going to do it anyway. All right, so here we go. Soren S wants to know, do you think space will SPCE go under $4 today? There we go. Yes or no? Good afternoon, everyone. There we go. Soren S. I know, and for those of you just tuned in, I know he's not a member right now. He's going to renew his membership in a couple of moments. When he does, because it's a perk for members, he's going to do it. But he wanted to know, so I wanted to do it straight away. But he's about to become a member, so it's absolutely fine. There we go. Will it go under $4 today? Don't vote with emotion. Don't vote with, willing it to go up. That doesn't work. Vote what you actually believe by way of research and information and study. Space is paired up to don't bring out too much information. I'm going to bring that. Mike, I've got a lot of that to share with you this afternoon. Amazon, look at that. Amazon's up. Okay, sorry. It's okay. It's okay, mate. The information I have isn't top secret, is it? The information I have is what everybody else has. I mean, I just do my research so you don't have to. But you could research. I don't have a secret key, a secret box where I go get information that nobody else gets. I don't have any inside information. I have what you have, all right, if you bother to research, all right? So, yeah, if you research it, you will find what I find, right? Let's get that straight. Right, Microsoft is going up. This is nice. All the stuff that I've been buying is going up. Okay. Yes, you do. It's under your desk. Right. Here we go. It's showtime. We got a minute and a half to go. So skip the ad. Come right back. We're about to ring the bell in a minute and a half. Here we go. Okay. Let's get ready. Let's get ready. Now then, I need to get the likes up. I'm gonna put a 1 minute clock up now to ring the bell. We're gonna ring the bell in 1 minute, and I want to get to 30 likes by the time we ring the bell and by the time the clock reaches 0. Are you ready? All right, we need 30 likes. We want the markets to go up today. Smash the like button 1 minute before the bell goes. Here we go. Okay, smash the like button. Here we go. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you very much. We need 30 likes. There we go. 23, 24, 25. We need 5 more likes in the next 45 seconds. Let's get it. We're about to ring the bell. Smash the like button. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Would the real Satoshi stand up, say please, stand up, say please, stand up. Will the real... Look at the smashing the likes on. Everyone tap 2 fingers like that as fast as you can. If we get to 10,000 likes today by the end of the show, it's going to be a surprise for everybody. All right? Okay, we need 3 more likes on YouTube. Smash the like button. Here we go. We got just a few seconds to go. It's going to be a very violent day today on the market. What are you doing? How are you playing it? Here we go. We've got just 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's ring the bell. The bell has gone on this very brutal day. Expect a drop. No question. We had 9%. We will get a bounce, but it could be sold off very quickly. A lot of scalpers now are going to be hunting like sharks. So be very, very careful. Don't buy it when it goes up. Only buy it when it goes down. Don't get bullish. We're not suddenly turning bullish at all. Not even close. There it goes. It's going down again. We had 8% yesterday. Let's have a look. It's going to be a flash crash. So get ready to pick up some bargains if you are believing in the future. If you think the world's going to come to an end and we have nuclear apocalypse and God knows what else, then whatever. Red day today. Most certainly is after yesterday. Right, let's go through our stocks right now, and we're waiting. I'm waiting to see if any of my orders go through to reset new lows. Let's get ready to go. Okay, let's go through our stocks right now. Right, first of all, the S&P is down 1.1 after massive crashes yesterday. Virgin Galactic now 447. I got orders at $4. Should it go down there? Virgin Orbit's going back down again. Tesla 210. I've got an order at 200. Rivian is going back down 1.35. I'm still up 16%. I'm okay with that. Lucid is going down 1.16% today. Go through Arrival is also down 1.38. Amazon is down 0.75. It was up a few moments ago. It's gone back down. I've got orders to buy again. Apple is going down 1.71, heading up. The overall market is just going sideways at the moment, slightly heading up. It's slightly trying to retrace back up again. Not much. If I just quickly share with you what it looks like, it's just going sideways at the moment. So Apple is trying to push up. I've got some orders to buy Apple if it goes a lot lower, but it has to go a lot lower before I buy it. Robinhood 1168. Good earnings last night. I broke my rule. I bought when it was up. Soren S is now a bronze member. There we go. Soren S, thank you very much indeed. Would everybody give him a big cheer? There he is. Right, Google has been triggered. Google has been triggered. I've just made a purchase on Google. It's just gone through. Google has hit a new low. There we go. McDonald's is going back up even though it was down. Coca-Cola is also returning. I've just made another acquisition of Google. There it is. There's Google. It went through at, what did it go? At 86. 86. Okay. We're going to set a buy, a limit order now. Let's set another one. A limit order. 85. We'll buy it at 85. Just one share, 85. Lower my averages. There we go. 85. Will it go down that low? Good for the day? No, it can be there forever. As far as I'm concerned, my all-time low position. I've just bought one Google, and now we'll set another one for 85. All right, review the order. Limit order, 85. Good till cancelled. There we go. Will it go that low? I don't know, but I just picked one up at 86. Okay. Thank you very much indeed. That's my strategy. Simple. That's how I'm playing it. Let me just check that now. You received an order to buy. Thank you. Done. There we go. It's going back up again. The overall market is going back up. This is how I'm taking advantage of all this. There we go. It's going back up. And I've now got a cheaper share of Google than I've ever had before. Now I've set another new low. No more buys coming in. Oh, we're coming up quickly now. The overall portfolio is coming up quickly. I'm down 1.55. Microsoft is heading back up again. Meta is still down. I've got an order there placed. SoFi is coming back up. IonQ, we had a massive 10% sell-off yesterday. IonQ is green. PayPal is down. I'm out. Rolls-Royce is down. I'm out. Walmart is up. I'm up 15.5%. A lot of sellers coming in. Yes, indeed. Which eventually will become buyers. It's just a matter of time. Target is up 6%, down slightly. Tesco, huge drop with the interest rates going up in the UK today. All-time records, it seems, or the biggest for a decade. Canoe is down. On Semiconductor is down. Tilray Brands is pushing back up again. I'm still up 3%. I'm in the money. I'm holding it. Ginkgo Bioworks is down. Enphase Energy is up, even though I'm down very slightly. Bitcoin SV is down today. Bitcoin is down 0.85. And Ethereum is down 1%. Fantastic. Gene Pot has come over from TikTok. Gene Pot has come over from TikTok. Let me put Gene Pot on the screen. And welcome, Gene Pot. Everybody, please, Gene Pot, put your city and country, where you're from, and how can I help you? If you're a YouTuber or a TikToker, I can blow up your channel. I love doing it. Let us know where you're from. Gene Pot, everyone put your cities and countries in, and welcome our new guest, Gene Pot, who's just come over from TikTok. I think he wants to be in our free cash prize draw tomorrow. I will tell him how we can do that in a couple of minutes as we get through this lightning round. Okay, from Palm Bay, Florida, Gene Pot, you're now getting welcomes from everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. My overall portfolio, are we going to... Now, remember, this is my portfolio. This is my situation. The whole market could be different, all right? If I keep buying the dips, eventually I'm going to move up. That's what I'm doing. From South Africa, but currently in Thailand. Fantastic. Quam has just become a follower on TikTok. Sorry, on Twitch. All right, now over there on Twitch, we have a cash giveaway tomorrow for free. Anyone, if you follow me now, and if you now subscribe to me for free using Amazon Prime, here is my Twitch account. Anyone on YouTube now, Facebook, TikTok, wherever you are, here's the link in the chat on YouTube. There it is. If you subscribe to me using Amazon Prime, it's free. Every first Friday of the month, which is tomorrow, I give away the money I make in subscribers for free in a cash prize draw. Okay, I do it every first Friday. So if you subscribe to me using Amazon Prime, it's absolutely free. Just turn Amazon Gaming on. You will be in my draw. You have to renew it every month. If you forget to do it, you won't be in the draw next month. You have to manually do it if you use Amazon Prime, as it's free. And we only have 9 subscribers. 2 of those are my wife and Leah. So if you subscribe to me using Twitch, you will be in our free prize draw tomorrow. And I will explain in a few moments' time how you can be in the prize draw on YouTube as well to our guest that has just turned up from... Hi, Stephen. I'm in Satellite Beach. Gene Pott, we've got a guest from Africa. Right, the overall portfolio is moving up. It only triggered 1 buy. Okay, didn't go low enough for S&P. Virgin Galactic's holding up. We've got the earnings report tonight. We are reporting live with the earnings report. There are Virgin Galactic videos coming out today as well. Thanks for all the follows on TikTok. Nearly 27,000 followers now on TikTok. And I will promote your channel if you subscribe to me. There's a little star. Click the little star. And I will promote your channel by putting it on the screen here, making a video, actually making a video, putting on my main profile, tagging you in it, following you back, and inviting all of my nearly 27,000 followers to follow your TikTok account. My subscribers on TikTok, there's the star, look, just there, look, click that. Most of my subscribers love that feature. I love to help people. Look at who? Ian Jackson. Do you mean Hood? Yes. Hood. There we go. I bought it last night. The earnings was good. I bought it last night and it's going up. I am very pleased to hold it. I bought it last night. I like the earnings. I like where it's going. I'm very, very happy to hold that. Very, very happy to hold that. I wouldn't be surprised if it sells off though, but to be fair, that's had a really good run. They are making more money now with interest rates on margin. Their goal plan for uninvested cash is higher than anyone. I think it's like 3.6% you can earn on your uninvested cash. Just don't be on the stock market. Just put all your money in Robinhood's cash accounts. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. All right. It's going up. A lot of people are loving Robinhood right now. They're making a lot of money now. And they've got plenty of money in the bank. All right. We are heading back up again. 37,222. I've just bought some more Google. Very, very nice indeed. Right, it's going down again. Oh, I've got another buy. 85. I bought at 86. It'll go at 85. Another $1, and I'll buy one at 85. I wonder if it will go down there. Well. What do we think? Fantastic. We've got a great crowd watching us today. Thank you. Shall we have a quick look at how the subscribers are going? Shall we have a quick look? You ready? 5175, 5177, another 2 during the show. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you very much. Google's trying to stabilize. If it goes to 85, I'll buy another one. Do we think it will go to 85? Remember, each time these go lower, it draws in more potential buyers. The Mangs, formerly the Fangs, are seeing lower and lower prices. 70-80% discounts now coming on the Mangs. And that is Facebook, Google, Meta, Microsoft, all these companies. Huge sell-offs. So eventually, someone's going to buy them. Oh no, down 4,000. What happened? I know. Lost everything last night to Ali Tisro. Very, very painful. Very, very painful. I've been buying each time it dips to my all-time low. I've just bought another Google at an all-time low for me, lowest ever price I've ever paid for Google, and I've got about 20 buy orders set to do it. Ali Isles is here, hero, star of the convention, which was the day trader convention in Cornwall in the United Kingdom. Ali Isles was there. Great guy, lovely to meet him in person. He was there in Cornwall with the rest of the team. Where were you? Did you not come? Ali Isles, here he is, special member now. Need a special badge. He was there at the party in Cornwall. Right, the S&P going back up. Virgin Galactic earnings tonight. I've got buy orders for $4. The earnings is tonight. We're going to be there. Tesla, it's going back up. Massive sell-offs last night. First time for me in 2 years buying long. Beautiful time. Mason Kirk, fantastic. Fantastic. Now, what has happened with the Fed going hawkish, like really aggressive? The tone was aggressive. The threats of over-tightening was... it's great. Absolutely great. Because what it's done, it smashed the market, created buying opportunities for me. Remember, it's all about time. People who bought 20 years ago sold out. Well, I wasn't in the market 20 years ago, so for me, it's great. I bought Robinhood last night. Their profits are going up and up and up. They broke even for the first time. 1 quarter ahead, and they're going to make even more money now in interest going up. So Robinhood, I bought more of that. Everyone, yes, beautiful tone. I agree, because at the end of the day, it's no secret now. It never was a secret, but the Fed have told everybody, we are going to keep tightening, we're going to over-tighten. They've made it the worst case scenario, which is great, because the market has reacted badly, and now we are looking for the opportunity to go up from here. So I'm not saying it's a bottom, but what it's now doing is the markets are now pricing in the worst case scenario. So everything is going down. It presents opportunity. So I see it as that. Now, I've not invested in banks. The banks are making the money, but I have 2 banks I've invested in, but they're not banks. Because these are the banks of the future. Robinhood and SoFi. These are the banks of the future. And look at them go up today. Because they are making money when the interest rates go up. And when we keep getting the shock after shock after shock with the Fed, eventually we're going to get one hell of a buying opportunity. I'm already buying in. I'm not waiting on the sidelines. I'm chiseling down, holding on. But that's why I've got a bigger and bigger position now in digital online banking. They're pricing in another 0.5. That isn't the worst case. 22. I don't agree they're pricing in 0.5. Everybody now believes in December it'll be another 0.75. If we get a 0.5, it'll be a blessing. It will be a icing on the cake. Everyone expects another 0.75 and maybe another one in January. That's where people think the markets are going. Fed Powell couldn't have made it more obvious how aggressive he has become and how aggressive he is. So, like I've always said, for me, it's not how hard you can punch, it's how many punches you can take. And it's just about taking the pain and building the foundations. Keep buying lower. Don't pay any more. Don't follow it up. Don't chase it. Just buy the lowest prices possible. And that's exactly what I'm doing. I've got about 20 buy orders set in place. Only one has triggered this morning. That was Google. I've got another one at 85 now. I've reset it to go at 85. And eventually, I'm going to have my all-time lowest price on... Look, 99 now. My average is 99. There we go. It's for the first time gone under 100. I'll buy another one at 85. Only one. But I'll buy another one at 85. I'm not going to write Google off. I'm not going to write Meta off. I'm not going to write Microsoft off. All these great companies. They all belong in my portfolio. They all make up a big part of the S&P as well. Hello all, says William Wallace. How are you? William Wallace, lovely to have you here. They're pricing another 0.5. Huge dip on SPY. Yep. I've got an order at 321. That's my all-time low. Fed Powell is proving he is sticking to his sheet. I've been telling my students not to guess. Listen to his Fed sheet because he's following it. So far, every chat he's done. Mark Corn has become a member. Oh, Mark Corn has been a member for 9 months. Welcome, Mark Corn. How are you, Mark Corn? My brother's big day today, space, $7. You said $10 yesterday. What are you on about? More good data just out. Market hates it. More good data just out. Market hates it. More good data just out. Market hates it. Share with us the data, please. Every chat he's done. Every chat he's done. Mark Corn, Ali Isles. Great to see you, Mark Corn. How are you, mate? Mark Corn's had some... love you all. I'm good. How are you? He's been having some tough times as well. Lovely to have you back. There he is. One of our original members. You can see he's got a bronze badge for 9 months. He will be turning gold soon. He's a yellow badge owner. He'll be gold soon. And then he'll turn red. You didn't read my message. Ali Isles. Mark Corn. Ali Isles. Let me scroll up. Okay. Everyone who didn't come or couldn't make it, you missed out. Martyn is Martyn is as much of a legend in real life that he is on here. Thanks for the most amazing weekend. Well, do you know, it was my absolute honour to have. I know, only a small crowd, but there are people with millions of subscribers on YouTube and TikTok who couldn't have got that many people come from around the world as well. Not just local in Cornwall, from all England, Europe, Paddy and Ale from Italy. And all of you said you want to go to the US next year. The US guys and ladies are already going, we want to be there next year. Tom wants to be a DJ and come over from England to America. It's incredible. We have the best family here on YouTube imaginable. So it was my honor and pleasure and overwhelmed by the fact we had people there. It was amazing. Let's have a look. I will always be a member. Look at that. We have the highest engagement now officially on YouTube. 95% of our live viewers are members. More than any other channel. Mr. Beast would love that number. He has between 8 and 9% of his live viewers are actual members. 95% of our members, of our live viewers are members. And I'm here 10 hours a day to support you. And always will be. I am a space believer. Patience is the key. This will pop on Friday after hours and will open Monday morning high. Buy now. I totally believe in it. Let me go. Apple buy. Let's have a look. The overall market is just down a little bit, but it's popped back up though. The S&P, I've got buys placed. Virgin Galactic, I've got buys placed. We've got Virgin Orbit, Tesla up to date. Rivian up to date. Plenty of profit there. Lucid up. Arrival, my lottery ticket. Amazon just flat again. I've got a buy order there, down at 90. Apple isn't a buy for me yet because my lowest is 120. I think I've 130. 130 is my buy. 130. Doesn't matter how good Apple is, I'm not paying a penny more for it. That's it. I paid 131 last time. I want it for 130 this time. Take it or leave it. And that's it, because we are in a bear market. If I'm going to buy it, if I'm going to stretch myself, I'm going to get the best price that I've ever had. Period. End of story. Robinhood, look at that. They're making a lot of money now with gold. I should know. McDonald's, down slightly. Coca-Cola, I've got an order there to buy at 54, I think it is. J&J, very safe. I'm still up, but I've got orders to buy more. Google, my next acquisition will be 85. just subscribed in TikTok, friend. Hey. Thank you. Oh, you just subscribed in TikTok? Did you say you just subscribed in TikTok? Hang on, let me see that. I don't see that. I don't see that. Stock market plan. Did you just say you subscribed to me on TikTok? Did you hit the little star and become a subscriber? If so, I'm going to make you a promotional video at the end of the show. Is that what you mean? What's Rio on? Oh, here we go. We're back to the Rio situation, are we? Let me open another tab, and I'll get Rio up. Yes, I didn't see that. I didn't see that. That normally tells me. It normally says someone has just subscribed to you. I'm scrolling up. I don't see it. I don't see it, but I will see it at the end of the show. If you subscribe to me on TikTok, at the end it'll tell me. Oh, there it is. Stock market plan. There it is. Because you've got a Luca badge. There it is. I see it now. So basically, what I'm going to do for you, let me show you so everyone can see what's going to happen here. There we goes. Right. Let me bring it on the screen. There you go. Look. See, look. Stock market plan has now got a Luca badge. You can now see yourself on YouTube. He has just subscribed to me on TikTok. And what that means is, at the end of today's show, I am going to make you a video. I'm going to put your channel on this screen behind me and make you a video and invite my nearly 27,000 followers to follow you. Okay, I'm going to make the video and post it onto my profile, tag you in it. I will follow you back, and I will engage with all your stuff, and I will promote you, and I will get you more followers. I do that for all my subscribers. Thank you so much. You need to renew it every month if you wish me to continue to do that. It doesn't do it automatically unless you set it automatic. If you've set it automatic, it'll do it every month, and I will continue to support your channel. Thank you so much. Plus, you get exclusive content. Plus, I reply to all your comments and do everything I can to promote your channel. Thank you so much, Stock Market Plan. How cool was that? Excellent. Thank you very much indeed. Right, back to trading. Let's have a look. Good morning all. Hope everyone's morning is well. We're having a lot of pain, Market Profit, as you know. We were talking about you earlier. Mark, how are you? Shame you couldn't come to Nuki. Yeah, we missed a lot of people. It's our first time, though. Next year, we're doing it again, 2023. We're going to do it again. What do you expect from today's earnings? I've got information coming about Virgin Galactic after this video. Look out for it. There's information about Virgin Galactic coming out, and I will share it with everybody. It's on auto renewal. Thank you so much. Stock market plan. Awesome. Hey, stock. Look at that. Stock market plan is not only a member of the channel here, but he's also now a subscriber. Now, for those of you who have forgotten, we've got a cash giveaway tomorrow. It's Twitch first Friday of the month. So if you subscribe using Amazon Prime, it's free. There is the link, look, in the chat right now. Some of you let your subscriptions lapse. Nearly all of you let your subscriptions lapse because I was on holiday. So go and check it. If you use Amazon Prime, it's free. We've only got 9 subscribers on Twitch right now. I had 20, like 19. Most of you let it lapse. Renew it. It's free. And tomorrow, I give away the cash to one of you. That's tomorrow. Also, tomorrow, we have the giveaway as well. If you want to be in the draw, it's watch those videos that I made for you while I was away on holiday. But if you've not watched them all through yet, if you didn't do it, don't worry. Go onto the homepage of the channel, look at the Investing on the Stock Market playlist right here, and click the Play All button. Let them all run through. If you've watched them all and left the comment and the like, you will be in the draw tomorrow. There is the playlist. I'll give it to you right now, should you not wish to find it yourself. All right? Even if you don't want to win the prize, please watch it all the way through. It helps the channel, all right? Okay? All right. And you can pick anything you want from the merch shop, the most expensive item you want. It's entirely up to you. And it will be delivered to you in any country in the world. That's tomorrow. Awesome stuff. Mark, it was amazing. Tom isn't a bad DJ, it turns out. Anyone watching Roku, Kathy Wood's $3 holding she bought yesterday and today still has an average cost of $243. It's not down 15% and trading at 46.31. So painful to watch. I'm not buying Roku. Don't believe in stuff like that. Yeah, I don't believe in Roku. I know, Ali, I was actually away in Clacton-on-Sea trying to get over anxiety. Well, that's sad to hear. How are you? We got Churchy's having a hard time today as well. What's up, Mark? Let us know. The S&P, we're going back down again. Virgin Galactic, I've got orders at 4. 36.7, Virgin Orbit. Tesla is up. We got Day Trader of the Day competition coming up very shortly as well. Amazon, I've got orders to buy all of these. Apple's down nearly 4%. I'm not buying Apple yet. Robinhood is holding up. Robinhood is holding up very nicely, actually. If we look at it now over the month, over the week, it's a steady climb as well. It's not even, even just, it looks pretty reliable right now. Not saying it can't go back down again. It could easily sell off, but yeah. McDonald's. Right. J&J. Google. I've got another buy at 85 to come in. More comments coming in. Let me read these comments out. Where's Church? Church has us on mute. He's training at the moment at work. He's with us. He's got us on screen. He's on mute. He's having a hard time. He's being evicted from his rental property. His landlord has found someone who'll pay more and getting rid of him. We did a song from this morning. He's very upset about it. He's very, very upset. So, yeah. He's with us. He'll be back on again shortly when he's finished training. Just got to push myself. I've had anxiety for years, but this period I haven't left the house properly for a bit. Now I know that, mate. I live in the studio. I got you. That's exactly, Mark. You can do it. That's what we're here for. I hate hearing people having a hard time. That's horrible. Let's do a fundraiser for him. That'd be cool, wouldn't it? Hey, that'd be cool. That'd be cool. That'd be cool. What a good suggestion that is. Google. I got a buy at 85. Remember, the lower these stocks go, the more and more attractive they will become. And eventually, they'll be bought up. Robinhood's looking pretty good. We had a blizzard last night in Shashquen. I had to dig my dog out from a house this morning. I will be trapped here on the farm for at least 3 days. I'll be trapped in the house with you, Mark. That sounds like me. Right. Okay. Run a quick commercial break. Be right back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, I'm back with you. Okay. Wishing you all the best. Start with the basics like water, sunlight. Reach out to your friends and stay active in groups like this. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. All right, we're going to a new low. We're hitting a new low. There we go. It's going down again. Trying to bounce back up, though, at this level. Let's hope it does. Let's see if we've gained any more subscribers today. Let's have a quick look. We've got Virgin Galactic earnings tonight. It's going to be a big night. Let's have a look. 5177. Hasn't moved in the last few minutes. There we go. How many people have come through the show so far today? 154. We had 200 yesterday come through the show, so we're doing very, very well for very early in the morning. Very, very well indeed. It's getting better every single day. How many likes have we got right now? I need to think. No. I love when I see this. 100%. 100% engagement. 32 likes. 30 or 37 watching. It was 32 a second ago. 100% like ratio. I like that. Okay. We're trying to bounce up. Lots of exercise during the day. Talking of exercise, I need to stand up, move around. Oh, it's my new thing. I can now do the show standing up. Look, see this? Look at that. I can now do the show standing up. How about that? So, tonight, my strategy for the rest of the day is keep buying the all-time dips, not buying the pumps, not rising. Just if my best companies go to all-time lows, and I mean my all-time lows, the lowest prices I've ever paid, I buy one. And just keep lowering the average all the time and buying cheaper and cheaper stocks. That's what I'm doing. And tonight we've got the Virgin Galactic earnings after hours as well. Virgin Galactic earnings after hours. That should be interesting. Google almost 95. Well, I've set my limit orders. Market profit. You taught me that. Do you remember that? I don't have to worry about it. I've set to buy one Google share at $85. I've already got to, like, was it 30 or 40? But when it goes to 85, it'll buy one. And it'll be triggered automatically if it goes to 85. And then I'll reset it to 84. Yes, I sold some higher up, of course. And also, I live on YouTube. I get paid every month on YouTube. I don't get paid until the 21st, though. It's my next time I get paid. So I have to wait now until the 21st before I get paid again. So there we go. This standing up position, it helps my back. So this is why I'm doing this. The overall portfolio is pushing up. Maybe I won't get that 85 buy on Google. We're running a poll right now. 35 votes. Will space go under $4 today? What do you think? Will space go under $4? 57%. Oh, that's not great, is it? 50-50 pretty much. No one really knows then. No one really knows. Let's have a look. Exercise is a good idea, especially when you sit all day. like me. Usually when I wake up and start with some 10-minute yoga and half-hour walk. After that, time for coffee. I totally agree. Walking is the best thing you can do. You don't have to lift weights. You don't have to run a marathon. I did a marathon years ago, London Marathon and Tough Mudder. You don't have to do that. Some of the best thing you can do, just get off your ass and go for a walk. That's it. Wonderful, hit 37 again. Oh, nice. Come on. Let's get back to 30. Let's get back to 40. Let's have a look all through the stocks right now. Let's have a quick look and see where we're at. Ethereum, I'm not buying that until that halves in value. Bitcoin, I'm holding it. I'm up 4%. Holding that. Bitcoin SV, I'm holding that. Still down 15%. Enphase Energy just keeps on going up. Oh, someone asked me. Ali Isles, Rio Tinto, I apologize. Rio Tinto, I forgot all about it. I'll bring that up for you right now. Just let it refresh. Hang on a minute. Why is that not? There we go. Rio Tinto. Ali Isles, very good question. Did Leah have a nice time meeting us YouTube weirdos? Hey, we're all YouTube weirdos. Yes, she did. She did. She enjoyed it. She loved being there, seeing everybody. She was so proud of what we've created and the family and everyone, and thought it was just wonderful. I mean, she was there. She was drinking. She was having a good time. We stayed in the hotel with you all. We had a lovely, lovely time. And didn't Tom do a great job? I can't believe that Tom's not here yet. Tom might be in this afternoon. So many people want to thank Tom online. I know that. You know, he gave up so much of his time, came all the way down from Canterbury and did the DJing for us. Absolutely brilliant. Holy smoke, Peloton now down 96% from all-time high, now trading at 797 from a high of 162. These losses are jaw-dropping. Yeah, that was all COVID. Everybody loved that during COVID. Now no one uses it anymore. I know. Awful to see. Awful to see. That's people's businesses, livelihoods, jobs, you name it. You have to constantly reinvent yourself. I know. I've done it. I do it now. This is what I'm doing here. Okay. Now then, we've got Day Trader of the Day competition coming up. We've also got our cash giveaways tomorrow. Once again, if you've not yet subscribed to me for free using Amazon Prime, please do it, even if you don't want the star prize. Even if you don't want the cash, it helps grow this channel. It costs you nothing using Amazon Prime. There it is. There's my Twitch account. Just subscribe to me on Twitch for free, and it helps grow the channel, and it helps give a cash prize to others if you don't want to claim it for free. Cost nothing. We've only got 9 subscribers now. Many of you let it lapse over the holiday. So if you could sort that out, it'd be great. Space expectations today. Virgin Galactic, I'm ready to buy some more at $4. I do have a video coming out about space after this video. You'll see that later on. Can't talk about it now. A bike with an iPad attached to it. Not much of a groundbreaking business model. A bike with an iPad attached to it. I like that. That's quite funny. I'll give you that one. I will give you that one. That is funny. Mike says, I'm still on Twitch. Yes. Are you still a subscriber, Mike? Just make sure that you're still a subscriber. Using Amazon Prime. Bill says, I'm finding the more different stocks you have, the more likely to go up and down more often. I weighed it out now. Diversified. That's it. Wait it out and be diversified. That's absolutely right. You have to have patience. No one's got any patience anymore. No one's got any patience. Tesla. I don't have Amazon Prime. Ah, okay. Fair enough. Oh, yes, you told me that before. That's fair enough. But you keep the channel going by watching all the time, so I appreciate that just as much. Arrival. Amazon. We're still doing our our trader, our number one trader of the year competition. My analytics are looking for the most engaged person, the person who comments, likes, watches the most. At the end of the year is a star prize for that person as well. So anyone can win that. Another one. Amazon's trying to come back up again. I've got orders to buy. I'm glad. Oh, hang on. I've got another order gone through. Meta has gone in. Meta has been bought at 89. I bought a Meta share at 89. Oh, hang on. Yes. Meta went through at 89. I've just bought at 89. One share at 89. There we go. 89. Average of 115 now. 89. So now, because I fear that Meta could go dramatically lower, I'm not looking to buy it at 88, but I am looking to buy it at 87. I'm going to start to ramp it up. Right, so we're going to go set a limit order. 87. One share. It can last forever. Allow. There we go. 87. 87. I just bought one at 89. You could say, well, why don't you go to 88? No, I want to go even lower. I'm going to go 87. I'm going to start to increase it, because I don't really want to get any more, but I will to lower that average and give myself a better position in the return, and it will return. So we're going to go 1 at 87. Review the order. That's another one, and see how it's starting to tick up. It's going to pull in. It's going to pull in buyers. I'm telling you, as eggs is eggs, it will pull in buyers at some point. Absolutely, 100%. It will pull buyers in at some point. It will pull buyers in, and I will be there with my ridiculously low averages. Anyway, this is a good momentum for space. I would rather see the stock go down into earnings than go up. Might trade flat in after hours, which with this much downward pressure. This is good momentum for space. Let's have a little look. This is good momentum for space. I would rather see the stock go down into earnings than go up. It might trade flat in after hours with this much downward pressure. Well, I'm not selling, but I do have an order to buy at $4. I bought at $4.50. My average is $4.93. The overall portfolio, 36. Oh, that shot up quick. 37. Wow, that shot up quick. Okay. So tempted to buy some Meta. It's trading at June 2015. Let me tell you, that's encouraging. That market profit feels that way. Let me tell you what I think about this. Meta. I don't believe in the metaverse. I don't even like Facebook. But human beings moan about everything, even if we use it and even if we like it. Nearly everybody has a Facebook page, always will. I believe it. People say TikTok. TikTok is nothing like Facebook at all. If you want to just share a picture, share a video, and share to your friends, Facebook is for that. Instagram as well, WhatsApp, all of that stuff. Meta Facebook was invented by Mark Zuckerberg, who now people say is an idiot. How can you say someone who created and invented one of the biggest companies in the world is an idiot? He deserves your respect. He built an amazing company. Whether you like him, his face, his voice, his ideas, he is not an idiot. I don't even like Facebook, understand me, right? However, many companies on the stock market have loads of debt and all the rest of it. Meta doesn't have anything like it. I don't think it even has any debt, does it? It's in a great financial position. All it's doing is spending too much of its money on the metaverse. All it has to do is either the metaverse becomes a success, and then this is $400-500 stock, or he turns around and says, I'm not spending as much or spending nothing on the metaverse, and all their money they've got coming in already from their customers they already have on Facebook will take this stock right back up to 250. Is Meta going anywhere? No. Is it going to go bust? No. Is it going to be around? Yes. Is the upside like 80% more likely to go up than the downside? Yes. So I am just chiseling away because I would have loved to have bought Facebook in 2015, but I wasn't investing in 2015, and now I'm able to do so. So I am buying a share every time it drops $1. Now I'm doing it every time it drops $2, and it's slowly working, and eventually this will go up, and 23% down now, I should be 85% down. I didn't start buying it last week. I was already in. Like many, many millions of investors, I was already in. I didn't sell it. I just added to it. So my average is not going to come crashing down that quick unless I doubled up my position and went all in, which I can't afford to do. So I'm just chiseling away. And too many people are using it as a popularity slagging contest against Mark Zuckerberg, and I think it's silly. That's not investing at all. And people are scalping and shorting and God knows what else. At some point, and remember also, and I do agree with Kramer on this, that source of funds, people that bought Facebook years ago have made so much money. People like Market Profit, people who bought the markets years ago have so much money in Meta. They sold it a few weeks ago when they heard what was going on with the metaverse. They've got so much money to take out with it they can afford to. Well, I can't. I have to buy in at some point. So that's why it's being dumped. And all of a sudden, it's going to hit a point where people are going to go, this is ridiculous. It is so cheap now. And in fact, it has the best price to earnings ratio on the stock market. Look at that, 9.07. This company is the best value, and I don't like Facebook, but I do like making money. And I think now Market Profit has just said that should tell you everything. From a perma bull, as he would call me, to a perma bear, as he would call himself, Meta is a huge buy. And all of a sudden, the people that have sold it, the very same people, are going to go, you know what? This has now become so ridiculously cheap, I'm buying back in. And boom. He only has to make an announcement tomorrow that he's cooling down on the metaverse, and up this stock goes. So I will continue to buy it, and that 23% loss will be wiped out in like 2 minutes. 2 minutes. So my next one, I'm going to get more and more and more greedy, is 87. I'm going to buy it for 87. Will it go to 87? Up to this point, I've been going $1. Now I'm going $2. Now I'm going, right, now I'm going to pay 87. And then I'll go 85. And eventually my average will come under $100. It won't take that long if I keep chiseling away like that. Anyway, despite that going down and being 5.6% of my portfolio, I'm only down 1.29 now. We're slowly nudging up. 1.27. Even if you don't believe in it, it has billions of users. Yep, 2.9 billion in fact. And steady revenue stream with reliable advertisement base. Just compare the company now to where it was in 2015. It's grown exponentially. I totally 100% agree. Wow, me and Market Profit agree on something. Meta is a buy of the century. I think so. Tilray. Yep, straight back up again. I didn't sell it. I held it, and I'm continuing to hold it because I know it's a $40 stock. Love to turn green today. Let's end our poll. I think this was Soren S's poll. There we go. 50-50. Look at that. 51. Very, very tight. Very, very tight. Right. We're coming to the end of the show. We do have pure guesswork to pick a company at random that then lifts off. There's no guesswork here at all. I don't scalp. I do scalp trade sometimes. I am buying great companies at their all-time best prices. For me, when I say all-time best prices, I didn't buy Facebook when it was invented. I didn't buy on its IPO date or Tesla or anything else. But I can only buy at the best prices to me that I've ever paid. And the fundamentals of this company are phenomenal. So I am buying it at the best price, and I will not pay a penny more the next time I buy it. All right. Rio Tinto for Ali Isles. He wanted to see Rio Tinto. The S&P down, but trying to go back up again. Virgin Galactic. I've got buys at $4. Virgin Orbit. Tesla. Rivian. I love this stock. This stock just never lets me lose money. I bought it. This just proves you that timing and price, as Market Profit's saying right now, matters. I bought this at $26. I've never, ever, ever, ever lost money. And it doesn't matter what the Fed do and how bad stuff gets, it always seems to go up. I've been as high as 30%. I'm holding it. This really has proven over and over again, it just does not want to sell under $30. Great. So if I ever need to raise some cash, I've got nearly $839 there. I could raise that and I've got $144 profit. It never wants to go down. Arrival. Amazon. Apple. Robinhood. Robinhood's done well today. Held up above $12. Very, very happy with that. Robinhood now making so much money. It's one quarter ahead now. 1 quarter ahead from going into the green. Done very well. And we know why that is. It's not because they're doing anything amazing. The product's the product. Oh, by the way, Robinhood, last night, they're releasing a Roth IRA into their brokerage. So cool. I hope I'm able, I don't know if anyone knows how that will work, but I'm hoping, as I'm now moving into long-term investing, I hope that all the stocks I have, if anyone knows, tell me, will I be able to somehow move them into the Roth IRA? I don't know how it works. I ain't got a clue. And avoid, or save on tax. I don't know. I'm going to have to learn that, but that would be great because that is now my strategy, it seems. Coca-Cola going back up. I am nearly green. Yes, we were expecting the rate hike. The Bank of England just announced another rate hike and the pound is plummeting. They put out a note saying England could face the biggest recession in modern history. Poor Brits can't catch a break. I know. I've just come back from England and it is an absolute disaster. And it is all to do with predominantly Vladimir Putin. On top of the worst prime minister we ever had in history, who's already been binned and thrown in the bin. Thank God for that. Liz Truss. Don't care what side of the political fence you are on. Liz Truss, what an idiot. Microsoft going back up. This is very, very good. Like what? Unemployment, inflation. You want to go to a supermarket? We were there. We were there in England for October, as you know. Oh my God. Go to the supermarket, buy a tin of beans, buy some jam, buy some bread, buy some butter. It's apocalyptic numbers. There are some things like 200, 300% up. You've never seen anything like it. There's like a tin of, a pack of butter that used to be £2, now at 10 quid. Not all products. I'm not saying, I'm not predicting Armageddon, but there are many products you would not believe the cost of it. It is unbelievable in the UK right now because the whole Eurozone is in such a state. Such a state. This is why I invested all my money into dollars last year. And that's half the problem right now. People are buying the dollar, which is why they're not putting the money into the stock market. Anyway, look at this. Will I turn green today? Will I turn green? I've held my position. I've bought lower. Tilray is up 5.1. Breaking news. Tilray is up 5.1. It's just toppled slightly. There we go, 5.3. Look at that, Tilray. I'm up 9%. There we go. Tilray continues to bounce back. Target, Walmart. Unemployment is okay, just too many spaces that need filling. Bank of England need to stop printing bloody money. Ouch, feeling bad for the poor. Oh, and the biggest thing that the UK is experiencing, and I experienced it for a month, thank God it wasn't any longer than a month, is energy crisis. Oh my God. You think you have it bad in America? Go and pay your electric bill in England right now. You will not believe it. 85% increase. And a new year, January, 110 is expected. People have doubled their bloody electric bill. People are deciding between eating and turning the lights on. I kid you not. Thousands of old people, poor people, this winter, this Christmas in England will die. We have it every year. That poor old people on their own die at home in the cold. We have that. It's going to happen now even more because they can't turn the electric on. It is terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. You cannot believe how bad it is right now. Anyway, heartbreaking. Absolutely heartbreaking. So, there we go. Look at Rivian, look. It never, ever ceases to surprise me. Lurpak Butter, there it is. Here he is, Rob McLean. Rob McLean. Let's hear from Rob. If you are a member, you can call in and have your say. Here's Rob McLean. I love Rob McLean.
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
Look at this. Mine's gone up from 98 a month to a projected £500 a month come next February. Seriously, guys, how the bloody hell is Ali supposed to pay his electric bill? He used to pay 98 quid, 500 quid. I mean, how the bloody hell is he supposed to pay his electric bill? That's horrible. These disgusting, wealthy government officials would rather line their pockets with money than keep the elderly fed and warm. I know. And if I dwell on it too much, you saw me cry once with margin call, you'll see me cry again. Amazing to me how long you stream. Well, because I'm here for the members. It's why we have the highest member engagement rate on YouTube. I am here for you. I've turned green. Won't last very long, but it's just about time. Holding on. We've had enough oil, gas and coal to be energy independent. Bloody Green Deal won't let us. We import coal, gas and oil. Ridiculous. Ian Jackson. I just paid $1,200 last month. It's sad. now looking into solar. Yes, my house in England is on solar, and my electric bill is dramatically reduced. If I didn't have solar, God help me. Hi Ali, long time. Facts, Prophet. Yeah. Now then, while you've been gone, church, I told people, and I know I can tell them because you told everybody, about your problem with your rental property. And Market Profit said, let's do a fundraiser for you, church. That was suggested by Market Profit. Now, to be absolutely fair to everybody, if you are a silver member, I don't know if Rob, I don't know if Churchy is a silver or bronze member. If you are a silver member, you can have a 20-minute fundraiser. And I don't know if you're bronze or silver, but if you are a silver member, it's been suggested by Market Profit to do a fundraiser for you. That was his suggestion, his idea. And if you are silver, and if you want to upgrade to silver, you can have a 20-minute concert on the Martyn Lucas channel, and people can tip me, or they can tip for a song, and I will provide that service for free of charge as part of your membership. And I will do a 20-minute concert, and people can request songs, and on the screen we can have your PayPal or your, Cash App or your whatever, and people can tip you directly and give you tips for songs, and you can keep all the money, and it will be for you. That was suggested by Market Profit. So, if Market Profit wants to go ahead with that, and Churchy wants to accept it, and Churchy wants to go silver, I'm sure everybody would tune in. I don't know, I can't say what people would give or wouldn't give. That's not what I do. I just provide the service. But there you go. I have solar. Makes a massive difference. All the washing and major electrical appliances I use when the sun is out. Ian Jackson, did you see my video when I was in Cornwall? Did you see my video of me at home in Cornwall doing the washing and the tumble drying on solar? Did you see me do that? I had a video of me doing that. If you've not yet seen that, let me go to the video. Let me share it with you. I'll give you the link. If you didn't see this, I had a video of me doing, it might be in live. It might be in lives. Let me have a quick look. I was doing the stocks are up. Let's have a quick look. I think it's in videos. Watch to array. Stocks are up. I think there's the Virgin Orbit. If you've not yet seen it, I think it was in the videos section. Wasn't? I don't think it was. I don't think it was alive. Ah, there it is. There you go. There you go. There was me. If you've not yet seen this, I'm going to give you the link to this, and I'll show you how, on a cloudy day, you can do your washing and tumble drying for free. There is the link. If you want to go and watch that there, leave a little comment. It's like a 1 minute... How long is the video? It's 1 minute. It's 1 minute long, look. It's a 1 minute 25 video. Is that all it is? Yeah, it is. Anyway, my tumble dry, you'll see me washing and doing my tumble drying. I've given you the link in the chat. If you want to go and check it out, you can. There you go. There's my washing machine. All right, so if you want to go and check that out, you can. Anyway, I've got a company coming to discuss installing an air source heat pump. Oh, that's the best thing you can buy. Very expensive, Rob. I know you've got a bit of money to be able to buy one of those, but if you can get a heat pump put in your house, that's the best thing you can have. That's really taking your energy efficiency to the max. Really great. I couldn't afford one of those. They suggested that to me as well. Underfloor heating, heat pump, all that. I was like, it was expensive. I couldn't afford it. But if you can, and you're never going to leave, you're going to live in your house forever. No audio. Audio's working, right? Is the audio working? No audio. I think you've muted the channel, Church. Market. I think you've muted your channel. It's just you. It's back. Just a glitch on my end. Oh, you got me worried then for a minute. I thought I'd broken it again. I have a hot water tank with my panels, heats daily. Brilliant. Wife does the dishes by hand. There you go. Always got that option. 70% grant from Scottish Premier. No brainer. Absolutely. Just absolutely. I can hear you, Martin. Audio's back. There we go. Good. Right. We're trying to hold up. Okay, now then, I've got to go. Let's do day trader of the day. See who's up, see who's down. I've got to go. I've got some videos coming out about Virgin Galactic. We are back this afternoon for the closing bell. Also, let me just find out who's joining me tonight for Virgin Galactic's after hours earnings. Start a poll. Here we go. Are you in for SPCE earnings? Are you in tonight after hours? Yes or no? Yes or no? There you go. There's the poll. You are behind your mouth moves, but the sound is behind. 1, 2. You just got to refresh the screen then, Bill. I can't control your iPhone. Whatever it is you're doing your end. Bloody hell. What do you think this is? Absolutely amazing. We're holding up. Might even turn green again in a minute. Right. Okay. Day trader of the day. Let's run a quick commercial break. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. How's CCL doing? Shall we have a quick look? Shall we have a quick look? CCL. Let's have a quick look for Churchy. So, Church and market profit. There we go. Another subscriber. Thank you. If you want to do that fundraiser, let me know. Just, Church, you're more than welcome, mate. More than welcome. I think we're turning green again. Right, let's do day trader of the day. When I post, we will give it a 1 minute on the clock. Well, when the first person posts. So make sure that you've clicked the live button under the screen. If you haven't, you'll be behind the screen. You know how that works. Up. Sorry. Oh. Actually, yeah. Shall I put flat? Up 0%. I'll just put up 0%. I was literally right on the 0 there. Anyway, up 0%. I'm happy with that, even though I was down 10% yesterday. Whatever. So let's give you a 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. Hey, let me tell you, Church, you're not asking for funds. You're not asking for funds. I am giving you a free concert as a silver member. All right, as a silver member, I give you a free concert. Everybody enjoys the concert. Everybody wants to tip me for a song. It just goes to you instead. So you're not asking anyone for money. I'm giving you a free concert. People tip for songs. It just goes to you because you're a family member. That's it. You're not asking for any money. People are giving me tips for songs. It just goes to you. That's all. Please feel free. If you go silver, Market Profit supports it. You can have it. All right? Don't worry about that. Let's bring all the the scores up. Up 1.8. I tell you what, Bill's killing it every day. Bill is killing it. So let's have a look. Jason is up 0.21. Ian Jackson is up 0.9. 0.5. Stephen. Soren S up 1.86. 1.89. Bill goes into the lead again. Up 0.31. Up 0.13, said Shad. Awesome. Down 1.25. Gotcha, Martin. There you go. Okay. Looks like Bill is... every day Bill wins recently. It's like, Bill, what's going on? Bill's the king of the castle again. All right. Here we go. So thank you, Bill, for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up and give Bill the sound effects. Very, very nice indeed. Share your secrets. I'm up 0.45, so don't write me out. Don't write me out. Oh, I love all the green. Doesn't everyone love the green? Doesn't green look so much better for your eyes? It's much more relaxing. All right, love it. Okay, so, folks, we've come to the end of the show again. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to get off. I've got some Virgin Galactic and other videos coming out, so look out for those. We've got the closing bell this afternoon. We've got Virgin Galactic after hours earnings. How many people have come in so far? Let's have a look. 11 votes. 64% are coming. Okay. So what's that? Just over half. So what? That's 6. Virgin Galactic's going up. I'm up today. Look at that. I'm up quite a bit now. I'm up 1%. I'm up 1% overall. Tesla, blimey. We got some people bought this morning. There you go. It's gone up because people have bought it. And remember, if they bought it, they don't, at these prices, they don't want to sell it for a while, right? We're just lowering those prices all the time. Robinhood. Look at Robinhood. Up 8.6. People loving it. Told you. They're making money from this interest. They're basically a digital bank. Online bank. Right. So, my overall portfolio is up 0.66, 0.67. I might even beat Bill. I doubt it. No one beats Bill. But you never know. I might. One day. Okay, that's it from me. I will see you all back in a minute. I just need someone to say roll the credits, and I will roll the credits. Can someone say roll the credits? And we'll do it. Now then, we've got the cash giveaway. Oh, yes, so I'm just going to remind you, the cash giveaway. Make sure that you subscribe to Twitch. Go and do that now using Amazon Prime. It's free. Some of you let it lapse. We've only got 9 people that have done it, so there you go. That's free. It's a cash prize tomorrow. Also, look on the homepage of the YouTube channel. See the this playlist here. Investing on the stock market. Just click play all. Let it play all. Investing on the stock market. That was the playlist competition. Click that. Let it play out. You don't have to watch them now. Just you've already done it. Just let it run through. It helps the channel, and that really does help. And you'll be in the draw tomorrow. On TikTok, I got at least 1 subscriber. Thank you very much indeed. I will make your video at the end of the show. Look out for the Virgin Galactic stuff coming up. Look at my portfolio pumping up right now. Then, now I'm not bullish. I'm not suddenly buying everything. I'm already in. I'm only paying all-time low prices. But that's it from me. Thank you very much indeed, everybody. Let me say goodbye. Let me roll the credits. Shooby-doo-woo-woo-be-hoo, all right, roll the credits. Let's have a look. Let's get out of here. I'll see you back in a bit. Stars of the show, thanks for your support. The followers. Quame Brown SR. Thank you very much indeed. You followed me now on Twitch. Now subscribe for free using Amazon Prime. You'll be in the draw tomorrow. Who else have we got here? We've got subscriptions from John. Thank you. These are only public subscribers. Other people could be recognised. They're just not public subscribers. And I'm now up 1.38, by the way. Just saying. Just saying. And we've got members. Soren S became a bronze member today, and Mark Korn reminded us he's been a member now. I think it's 9 months. Soon be 12 months. Soon get that gold badge. Love it. Fantastic. Thank you very much indeed. The portfolio's rising. I'm not super bullish. I'm only interested in red days. Red days is when I go to work and dig the ditches. All I'm doing on green days is letting it go up. But that's it from me. Thanks ever so much. See you back in a bit. Watch that playlist. Help the channel grow. Take care of yourselves and each other.